Most people get this wrong. They think Speedy Cash BNPL is just a standard buy now pay later service. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it now includes flexible repayment scheduling, retailer rewards, and budgeting reminders, making it a more robust financial tool if used carefully. Here's how it works. Speedy Cash BNPL lets you split online purchases into multiple payments, often interest-free if paid on time. In 2026, it supports more merchants, faster approval, and optional alerts to avoid missed payments. This helps you manage bigger purchases without cash draining upfront costs. But beware, late payments trigger fees, and repeated missed payments can affect your account status or even your credit score. Most people underestimate how quickly a free BNPL option can become expensive if overused. Tips to use it responsibly. 1. Only buy what you can comfortably repay on schedule. 2. Use reminders and alerts to stay on top of payments. 3. Compare BNPL options to make sure you're getting the most favorable terms. Who should consider Speedy Cash BNPL? Shoppers with steady income and good repayment discipline. Those with irregular income or a tendency to overspend should be cautious. In conclusion, Speedy Cash BNPL in 2026 is worth it for disciplined users who need short-term purchase flexibility. It can make larger purchases manageable, but misuse can lead to costly fees. Stay organized, pay on time, and it can be a helpful financial tool. Subscribe for more smart shopping and money management tips.